So we started out on this project, Charlotte Metro, a little over 3 years ago. And we built a budget, we built a schedule, and through COVID, through the construction process, we ran into a lot of obstacles along the way, and we overcame those. But at the end of the day, we finished the project one day ahead of schedule from a schedule that we built over 3 years ago, and we are tracking under budget.
We had the pleasure of working with Batson-Cook on the Lindbergh City Center project, which has recently been rebranded as Uptown. When this project first started, I don't think any of us could have foreseen the havoc that COVID was going to wreak on this project and on our industry as a whole. And Batson-Cook was really instrumental in helping shepherd this project along and through the process, navigating challenges of availability, lead times, shipping delays. But what I appreciated about them is every time a challenge popped up, they would bring a solution to the table. They wouldn't just throw their hands up and point at the problem. They would point to a way to help us all move forward successfully.
Batson-Cook has a way to figure out how to get these projects built, and largely as they were initially conceived. Both of the projects up in Charlotte are on very complicated sites. The Duke Energy Plaza building is on a postage stamp of a site between two very iconic buildings in Uptown Charlotte. So the logistics that go into managing that construction process and orchestrating that process are extremely complicated. So we're very grateful to have a partner that can help us bring these buildings to life.
Batson-Cook's just been a great partner. They've brought a great team, from project management to executives to superintendents. When I've needed something along the way, I pick up the phone and call them, and they'll have somebody there. It's from the owner request that happen at 5 o'clock on a Friday. If I call Batson-Cook, they'll have somebody there right away to take care of that request. So their response time has been great, and they've got a great team of people.